top of the line specs, amazing camera, and high-speed wireless charging. Man, MWC hasn't even officially started, so it might be premature to say, but has Xiaomi just unveiled 2019's flagship killer? Hi, I'm Michael Josh, you're watching GadgetMatch, and this is our Xiaomi Mi 9 hands-on. Here they are, Xiaomi's new Mi 9 in a variety of colors: black, blue, unicorn, and what was once called their Explorer Edition, now just transparent. Let's take a closer look. The Mi 9 takes on pretty much the same design language as its predecessor, the Mi 8. Gorilla Glass on its front and rear, curved sides on the back of the phone, but you'll notice that this year's model is narrower and taller thanks to its new 19.5:9 aspect ratio. I like the size and shape of the Mi 9, it fits in the hand really well. But I'm sure what you want to see are these iridescent colored options, officially called Ocean Blue and Lavender Violet, that have a gorgeous sheen and look different depending on lighting conditions. Then there's the Special Edition model, simply called the Transparent Edition. What you see aren't the actual internals of the phone. To make sure that people aren't misled into believing that, Xiaomi says they've made sure that the design is more decorative and more abstract. In China, it's marketed in partnership with the movie Alita: Battle Angel, and if you look closely, you'll find the text Battle Angel engraved right over here. The Mi 9 is the first smartphone to be launched with Qualcomm's new Snapdragon 855 processor and should be one of the first to be commercially available. While the phone comes with either 6+64 or 6+128GB configurations, the special Transparent Edition will have 12GB of RAM and 256GB of storage, just for kicks. Button port placement on the Mi 9 is as follows: volume rocker and power button on the right, dedicated Google Assistant button and dual nano SIM card tray on the left. The phone has no option for expandable storage. Up top, a microphone and IR blaster, and on the bottom, speaker grills and USB-C port. The Mi 9 does not have a headphone jack, but Xiaomi is most likely to include an adapter in the box. Let us know if you'd like to see an unboxing video by leaving a message down below. Now back to the hands-on video. The Mi 9 is the first Xiaomi phone to feature 3 rear cameras. They are as follows: a 12-megapixel telephoto camera, a 48-megapixel main camera, and a 16-megapixel ultra-wide-angle camera. From the camera app, you can jump between the 12 and 48-megapixel cameras by pressing the 2x button over here. Or you can click this icon over here to switch over to the ultra-wide-angle camera. The phone's built-in scene recognition mode will also prompt you to switch to the ultra-wide-angle camera if it detects that this camera mode is best for the photo you're trying to take. Now, like the couple of other smartphones that shoot with Sony's new IMX586 image sensor, the Mi 9 has a 48-megapixel image sensor that shoots 12-megapixel images. We'll wait for our review device for a full breakdown of benefits and camera performance, but for now, enjoy some of these sample shots. Now, before we leave the topic of cameras, I do want to point out that ring around the top camera. This is purely a design element. While it comes off as white, depending on the light, the ring will explode into a variety of colors. On the Transparent Edition, it's just red. While last year's Mi 8 has a rather sizable notch, the Mi 9 has gone for a smaller teardrop shape that wraps around the selfie camera. It's not like the new punch-hole cameras of 2019. Not sure which implementation I like better. Let me know what you guys think in the comments section below. This 6.4-inch AMOLED display is bright and has nice saturated colors and rich contrast. It's also made of Gorilla Glass 6 for extra scratch resistance. Housed inside its notch is a 20-megapixel selfie camera that also works for Android's standard face unlock service. There's no special time-of-flight 3D depth sensing camera here. And under the display, a built-in fingerprint sensor. Here's what unlock speeds look like. All of this happens via Xiaomi's MIUI 10.2 Android skin running on Android 9 Pie. The Mi 9 has a 3300 mAh battery, and when plugged in can be topped up from 0 to 100 in just over an hour. But what's more exciting is its support for fast wireless charging. Xiaomi says it's developed its own wireless protocol. There's no name for it, but you'll see it say turbocharge when a supported accessory is connected. With a separate $25 fast wireless charger, you can get a full charge in just 1 hour and 40 minutes, which is actually faster than wired charging speeds of some of the high-end smartphones in the market today. That same wireless charging protocol will be available in a variety of accessories, starting with this card charger. You just wave your hand for it to open its clasp, then lay the phone down. For extra security, releasing it requires a press of a button. Xiaomi will also sell a wireless charging power bank with slower charge speeds. Xiaomi is announcing the Mi 9 at its launch event in China today, followed by a global launch at Mobile World Congress in Barcelona next week. Is the Mi 9 your gadget match? Depending on how Xiaomi decides to price this phone, it's looking like a very solid contender in the flagship killer space. Imagine this: top-of-the-line spec sheet, impressive camera, 0 to no compromises. Why spend $1,000 on a smartphone when you can get a similar experience for less? And that was our Xiaomi Mi 9 hands-on. For more videos like this one, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Hit that bell icon so that you get notified as soon as we post a new video. And we have tons of smartphone videos coming your way. Follow us on social media for all the fun stuff. And as always, make GadgetMatch.com your daily habit. Until the next video, I'm Michael Josh. Thanks for dropping by.